Let's make equations out of word problems. So let's try and do exercise 4.14. The sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. So sum of numbers x and the sum means plus x and 4 is always equal to is 9. So it's very simple. We get x plus 4 is equal to 9. Now let's do second. 2 subtracted from y is 8. 2 subtracted from y. I've told you from always comes to the left of the subtraction sign. So 2 subtracted from y is means equal to is 8. Sum means addition. Okay. Now we are saying 10 times a is 70. 10 times means 10 multiplied by a is equal to 70. One thing you should note now is this multiplication sign we can confuse with x, which is a variable, letter x, and hence when we are talking about algebra we do not use the multiplication sign, we just write 10a. When there is between these two one number and one alphabet, we don't have anything, that means there is a multiplication sign. So this will write 10a is equal to 70. 10a is equal to 70. Now times, we learn this word times. Times is multiplication. Number b divided by 5 gives 6. Number b divided by 5 gives 6. So again this word gives means equal to. Gives is equal to. 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4 of, we have learned what is of in fractions. Of means multiplication. So 3/4 of t, I'm not going to put the multiplication sign. 3/4 of t is equal to 15. So again we'll write here of means multiplication. 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. 7 times is multiplication. 7 times m plus 7, plus we know plus 7 gets you or gives you, okay, is equal to 77. So gives or gets means equal to. So what is important in making an equation from word problem? If you take away 6 from 6 times y, so I'm going to write this here. If you take away is subtraction. So take away is subtraction. Take away 6. If you take away 6, so which means minus 6. You're going to subtract 6 from something. From what? From 6 times y. From 6 times y. So from comes before subtraction sign. 6 times y. Times is multiplication. So 6 times y. You get, now what is get? You get is equal to, you get what? You get 60. You get 60. Now if you see here, word problem, if you go in a sequence word by word, it is very easy to form an expression. Let's do one more example so that you understand it better. If you add 3, if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, 1/3 of z, you get 30. Get 30. So let's go one by one. if you add 3, so which means add 3. Add 3 to what? To 1/3 of z. To 1/3 of. Of means multiplication. So 1/3 of z. 1/3 of z. I'm not putting the multiplication sign here because there is one number and one letter in between. We don't put multiplication sign. So if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, you get you get how much? 30. Okay. If write the following equations in statement forms. P plus 4 is equal to 15. So the statement can be when we add 4 to number P, we get 15. Now we know how we can do is we have seen the words. So equal to sign can, what words we can use? Is, get, we get, or gives. So these are all words which can use for equal to sign. For addition, what we can say? Add, sum of. Okay, so these are the things which we can use for add. Okay, so let's do one more. M upon 5 is equal to 3. So the simple one is when we divide number m by 5, it gives 3. Or we can say fifth part of m is 3. We know the th, the fifth means 1 upon 5. Okay, so fifth part of m is 3. We have 4p minus 2 is equal to 18. So we can write when we subtract. So we are using this here. When we subtract, what are we subtracting? 2. So when we subtract 2 from is the part before subtraction sign. So 4p. So when we subtract 2 from 4 times times is multiplication. 4 times a number p, we get 18. So isn't it easy? Let's do 4.16. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. So let marbles Parmit has be m. Therefore, how much Irfan has? Irfan has 7 marbles more. So plus 7. 7 marbles more than 5 times marble Parmit has. 5 times is multiplication. Parmit has m. So 5m plus 7. But it is also given that Irfan has 37. So 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. That is our equation. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Okay, so let Lakshmi's age be y years. Therefore, her father's age is equal to 4 years older. Older means more. So 4 years older plus 4. 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So 3 times means multiplication y. Lakshmi's age is y. 3 times y plus 4 is equal to is her father's age. But the father's age is given as 49. So 3y plus 4 is equal to 49 is our equation. Let's do the last one. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angles. Base angle, let the base angle be b degrees. Therefore, vertex angle is equal to 2 times the base angle. 2 into b means 2b. And we know that sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, b one base angle, b another base angle, and 2b, which is vertex angle, third angle, is equal to 180. And hence b plus b means 1b plus 1b plus 2b is 4b. 4b is equal to 180. 4b is equal to 180. Simple equations is an interesting topic, and I'm sure you would love our other videos on this topic as much as you have loved this one. Don't forget to watch those videos, and also subscribe the channel and click on the ring icon. This will ensure that you get notifications when we upload new videos. Happy watching!